In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop Metal from opening on startup. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside your Metal app, you want to go to the very bottom left here to open up the settings. And when you do that, you want to scroll down here inside the settings menus on the left-hand side, and you want to click on Windows OS settings, which is the second to last option. Click on that, and then the first thing up top under application settings is going to be automatic startup, and this is what you should turn off. Okay, so in case it says on over here, this means it's going to start during startup, but if you don't want it to, you can just click on off over here, and then this will basically save automatically, and then you have successfully stopped Metal from opening on startup of your computer. Now, if that doesn't work, you can also try going down here to the bottom on your taskbar, right click here, click on Task Manager, and then you want to click on this icon to actually enter the startup apps, and then in case you can see Metal in here on the list, you can just click on it and click on Disable up top over here, and then the status should be disabled, and then that way you've basically successfully stopped Metal from opening on startup. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.